words in 3 different ways. Well, first, we need to learn about the difference between voiced sounds and voiceless sounds in English. A voiced sound means that it uses the vocal cords and it produces a humming sound or a vibration here in the throat. Put your fingers on your throat here and pronounce the letter L. You notice there's a vibration here in this part of your neck. This is because it is a voiced sound. A voiceless sound, sometimes called an unvoiced sound, is when there is no vibration here. The sound comes from your mouth. For example, if we pronounce the letter P, where does the sound come from? It comes from the front of your mouth. It doesn't come from here, No, it doesn't sound good. From the front of your mouth. Now try this with the other letters and you'll feel the difference between a voiced sound and an unvoiced sound. For example, sh, the SH sound, sh. Where does it come from? It comes from your mouth. It doesn't come from here, it comes from your mouth. So it is a voiceless sound. How about F? The F sound. Where does the sound come from? Does it come from here? No, it comes from your mouth again. So it is a voiceless sound. How about the N sound, the sound? You notice it vibrates a little here. So N, the N sound, is a voiced sound. And the Z sound, Z, the Z, or the yes sometimes, Z, comes from here. So it is a voiced sound. Now we know the difference between voiced and voiceless sounds. We can now look at the following rules about the correct pronunciation of ED in English. If the last letter of the word ends in a T or D, like want or need, then the ED is pronounced as an id sound. Wanted, needed. The id, ed, adds an extra syllable to the word. Want, 1 syllable. Wanted, 2 syllables. Need, 1 syllable. Needed, 2 syllables. So if the word ends in D or T, then you add the id sound to the end. If the last letter of the word ends in a voiceless sound, like the P in help, then the ED is pronounced as a T sound. So help becomes helped. It is important to know that we do not add an extra syllable. With the word help, we say helped, which is 1 syllable, and not helped, 2 syllables. That doesn't sound good. Let's go through the list and pay attention to the sound of the ED ending. Helped, looked, sniffed, laughed. The GH here is pronounced like an F, so it is laughed. Washed, watched, kissed, danced, fixed. They all end in a T sound.
يبقى القضية كلها مش مجرد الليترز اللي موجودة، أنا قضيتي كلها هو voice